Hello everyone, here I am using my jeans for embroidery. I am using pink, blue, green thread. Here I am using my black jeans for embroidery using only pocket area. I divide the thread into parts using blue thread for blue flower, making a knot here. Simple. Using fine needle, making spots for my pattern. First you have to insert the needle, pull that out, make a small loop, then again pull it out from where you start. Now pull the needle from the loop area and make a tight lock to your loop. Simple. Now make another loop. It will give you a daisy pattern. Make around 5 to 6 patterns like this, so it will complete your full daisy flower. It requires patience, so be patient with this, but the result would come out so beautifully. Here, another flower. This is how you can make a knot. Turn it around and pull that out. Easy. And it's very strong. I designed it in a pink blue pattern. Yes, I like this so much. You can try it out. It's very simple and convenient. I'm using another jeans, making another pattern, also using my pocket area, making the same pattern, but I'm not going to complete it, leaving it half on its way. Yes, like this. Now make sure you are using green thread for the leaf and the stem area. Complete a dot portion. Here I am doing back stitch. You can simple stitch if you want. You can also try chain stitch. I think I am going to make another video for the stitching, how to stitch different patterns. So let me know in the comment section. I would love to work on it. Now tiny leaves, complete. Hope you like this video. Tap like button and share also with your friends and try it out. Don't forget to send me on my IG